Uh, Alright, guys. I need your help to be a grade 11 senior high school, and the level is B1 level. Uh, I choose skill reading and writing, and my learning media I use test English and Redlang to help my lesson. Alright, thank you. I started. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you, students? All right. Uh, Before I start lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay. Pray enough. Okay. I will check your attendance. So Habib. Okay. Everyone is here today, and today material is explanation text. Okay. Before I move in the material, I have a question. Do you know, Toha, why tree is important for us?
Can you repeat the answer, the question, sir?
Uh, how tree is important for us?
I don't understand. I don't know.
Correct. Okay, I'll explain how tree important. Because tree is produce oxygen, and then several tree is produce a fruit. We can eat in with have been produced in tree, and we can uh, breathe the oxygen produce the tree. All right. Or next, we'll move into material. All right, let's start material about explanation text, and we will learn about the grammar. Grammar is simple present in this material. Okay. For study objective, by the end of this lesson, student will be able to identify the structure of an explanation text, understand the use of simple present text in explanation text, and now use do, doesn't, don't, and doesn't correctly, and write as explanation. Okay, and first is the definition of explanation text. The definition of explanation text is a type of text that explains how something occurs or why something happens. It uses a logical sequence of steps to help the reader understand a process, such as how photosynthesis works or why volcanoes Europe. And then for structure of an explanation text, for structure is general statement. It means introduce the topic and gives a brief overview of a process. And the next is sequence steps. It's explain process step by step in logical order. And the last is conclusion. It is summarize the process or arts closing statement. And then this example of explanation is how photosynthesis works. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Step: the process works follows. First is plants absorb sunlight through their leaves, and next is they take in carbon dioxide from the air, and water travel from their roots to the leaves, and the last is the plant convert this into glucose and oxygen. Okay, and next is about grammar focus. In explanation text, we use a simple present tense in grammar because it describe facts like fakta or general truth, and the habit process. Why we use a simple present? Because we use it for facts and truths that don't change over time. Like definition in the first explanation text is explain about the fact atau kebenaran tuh. Example, the sun rises in the east. Weather falls at 100 degree Celsius. Plants need sunlight to grow. This all is facts results. Yeah, next is for the use do versus does. Do is used with I, you, we, they. For example, to plan it better. Uh, it's interrogative sentence, and if we use the sentence, we need to change the location of subject to verb. Jadi first we use verb and then we add subject. Is different with positive or negative sentence. And next is for does. Does is used by he, she, it. For example, does the sun provide energy? And remember, after does or doesn't, always use the base form of the verb. You begin with the s or es after verb. And then for negative, don't is used with I, you, we, they. For example, trees doesn't grow without sunlight. If negative, you add a subject in the first sentence and then next you add a verb after subject. For doesn't is used with is it. Example, the moon doesn't produce its own light. If don't IUV day, if doesn't is it. Is a grammar summary. Subject we use IUV day and do and done. But if he see it, we use does and doesn't. And then remember you add s or es after verb. I have my mini quiz for you. Uh, please fill the blank. Toha, the tree, blah blah blah, grow well in the dark. Which one answer
Oh,
correct?
bisa.
A or B?
Please doesn't.
Yes, it's right because it's use it. You good job, Toha. Alright, thank you. These are material. We move next into. I have some several questions and we move website. First, I need to check your attendance, understanding about the use of to don't that we have learned before. Okay, please have explanation. Alright, these are like what I explained before. You can use IU to use do or don't and ECE to use does or doesn't. If question you add in the first do does or doesn't. Alright, I think you is understand what the explanation. Let's move in exercise. Okay, from the number one, what the item?
Don't drink.
Okay, don't drink. And the next question,
Perasaan kemarin aku lihat ini kan ketat dan acara kan 20
Yes.
hmm,
Doesn't start.
this or this?
Starts.
Okay, and the next,
Do you play?
Oh iya.
okay, and next,
See you. Open.
Open.
Above. Now use doesn't number 5 times.
Yes.
Open. Just open.
Okay. For number 6.
6 is goose.
For number 7.
Tapi itu yang besar
The first
Okay, plus number 8.
8 is daily.
Number 9.
Yes, it's miss.
Okay. Then last number.
Once. Above.
Ini
As
this.
well.
Okay. Alright, we start it. Okay, you press for okay, alright. Discuss for number 1 because we make negative sentence with do, not, and don't, and IDV or does. And then number 2 is you correct because the verb is has for his it. Number 3, you incorrect because we make negative sentence do not or done and IUDV. And then when we use a does or doesn't, then the verb at s, we say does work. Okay, and then for number 3, we can to add s in the verb, I guess, because yes. For number 4, we make question with do, I win day, or does, he see it, plus subject. Okay, you correct. And for number 5, the correct is opens because the museum is it and is single present. We need to add s or es to subject is it. And then number 6 is the correct answer is go because we don't add s or es because the verb is they. Okay, and then number 7, the correct answer is doesn't give up because when we use does or doesn't, then the verb doesn't add s. Correct. Number 8, you correct. We make question 2 for day and does. Yes, correct. And number 9 is incorrect because when we use does or doesn't, then the verb doesn't add s. We say does he work. Right. And number 10, the correct answer is wages because we add he for s or es. All correct thing. You can learn again with individual to use with test English. These have so many exercise. You can learn about grammar, vocabulary, or listening. Okay, I'll move to next length. Right. Next, I will check your reading skill. Before you read the sentence, I can show example of the pronunciation. You can hear and then your read with the good pronunciation. Right?
We need oxygen to live.
Kedengaran nggak?
Aman. 1, 2, 3, lanjut.
We need oxygen to live.
Nggak bisa tulang ya. Alright, you can listening on
The importance of trees. Trees are very important for us and our planet. They give us many things. First, they give us oxygen. We need oxygen to live. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Second, trees give us wood. We use wood to build houses and make furniture. Wood is also used for fire to keep us warm. Third, trees give us food. Many trees have fruits like apples, oranges, and bananas. Some trees have nuts like almonds and walnuts. We can eat these fruits and nuts. Trees are also good for animals. Birds build nests in trees. Some animals like monkeys and squirrels live in trees. Trees give them a home. But trees are in danger. People cut down trees for land and wood. This is bad for our planet. When we cut down trees, we lose all the good things they give us. We also hurt animals who live in trees. So, we must save trees. We can plant new trees. We can also stop cutting down too many trees. Schools can teach kids about how trees help us. Everyone can do something to save trees. If we save trees, we make our planet better. We will have clean air, more food, and a nice home for animals. Trees make life better for everyone.
Okay, alright. Next. Next is your turn to her. Please read with the
Trees. And our planet, they give us medicine. Thus, they give us oxygen. We need oxygen to live. This is from the carbon dioxide to give us oxygen. Second, they give us wood. We will use wood to house and make furniture, which is also used for fire to keep us warm. Thus, we can make us wood. Managers have resources like copper, orange, and banana. Some trees have nuts like almond and walnut. You can eat these fruits and that are good for animals. But with snakes in trees, some animals like monkeys and squirrels need to eat them alone. Well, trees are in danger. People cut the trees for land and food. This is bad for our planet. When we cut the tree, people are the good things they give us. We also know animals live in trees. So we must save trees. We can plant new trees. We can also stop cutting them. Can take it. Our car can do something that tree. With that how that metal. We will make it good with and good animals. Make life better. Everybody.
alright. Excellent, Doha, and thank you for your participant to read. And then we can see of several vocabulary and we find what the meaning in Indonesian. Like first is oxygen. In Indonesian is oxygen. And next have a wood. Wood is kayu. Next is furniture. Is maple. And then walnuts is kacang kenari. And next is what is let's see the vocabulary we never hear. Okay. Yeah, I think you is familiar with our vocabulary. And for continue, have we we practice our flashcards? Alright. Okay. We use wood to build house, make furniture. What? Okay. Do you remember that the meaning of furniture is mebel, Toha?
Yes, sir.
Right, yes. Next for what about food?
Kayu,
Alright, correct.
chicken,
Chicken, alright.
The like this one.
Yes,
Oh,
itu
correct.
yes. Okay. Now walnuts is
Kata kenari.
yes, correct. Kami tadi. What English kayu? Okay, wood. Nice. Correct. You're correct, sir. And then thank you to her for participating in my class, and thank you for you coming, and I hope you always health and see you in next class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.